welcome to Pin Cut Sew. I'm coming to you from my living room today for a fun change of scenery, I guess. No other reason. Today I'm going to show you 7 quick gifts you can sew for your mom for Mother's Day. Mother's Day is coming up. You still have plenty of time to sew though. You have 2 more weeks, almost 2 full weekends if you consider it like that. So you have plenty of time even if you need to mail things. So before we get started, make sure you hit subscribe, like this video, leave me a comment if you want with more ideas because that would be fun for all of us because we're all going to have many more years of Mother's Day gifts to lavish on our moms. So let's share the ideas. Okay, let's get started. You can find video tutorials and PDF printable versions of all of these projects on my channel and in my shop. So I'm going to link you to all of them so you can get started today. The printable ones just cost a few dollars and it's a more convenient way to refer back to it if you want to make more than one. If you're going to refer to it again a year later, you don't have to come back and find the video. You can just go to your sewing binder and find the printable pattern that you already bought. So I'll put links to all of those below. The first one is one of my favorite things to make, and it is a fabric bookmark. Where's my other one? I have a lot more than this. I'm gonna go get them. Okay, here's another one. This one's really cute because I pieced it together with little peace sign fabric. And then here's my cactus one. This was my prototype. I actually just washed it. The best part about these is that when you spill coffee on them, you can throw them in the washing machine and they turn out fine. So these are really good gifts for moms, especially if you have to mail something in a card and you're trying to save the $12 the post office costs you to mail anything nowadays. So little bookmarks are quick, easy, scrap friendly. The second thing is these journal covers. You've seen a video on this if you've been following me for a while. Here's one I made with a quilt block that I had lying around. But you can also just make a plain solid fabric one. This one has a bookmark and pencil holder. Instructions for these are in my shop and in the video. These are made to fit the moleskin Kahir journals. They come in 3 packs on Amazon. So when you buy a 3-pack, you can make more than one gift with these. And then this can just recover the next one that you buy. These are also washable if you're wondering. So I'll link you to these too. Next few items are kitchen gifts. Last year I made both our moms tea towels for Mother's Day out of cute strawberry prints. These are some I made myself recently. You can see the video tutorial on this also. I put some pretty trim on this one and a ruffle on this one. You can see these have already been well used in my kitchen. We love these. They're great for drying dishes and they're pretty. So if you get some coordinating prints, really quick, easy Mother's Day gift for you to make. Next is pot holders, pot holder mitts. I love these. The kinds with pockets are my favorites. They're kid friendly, so no one will burn themselves. And they're just really easy and quick to whip up. I put Insul Bright in the middle of these to keep them heat proof, so I'll link you to that product, but you can go grab this tutorial from my shop or just watch the video and make some pot holders. Next is something similar. This is my top video of all time. It's outperformed every other video and blog post and pattern in my shop. It's very simple. It is a casserole sized hot pad. Oversized hot pad, and I don't know why I didn't think of this sooner, because do you ever find yourself like putting out 5 hot pads just for one big pan? This solves that problem. I made these for Christmas gifts. My sister said it was the kitchen item she never knew she needed, but she loves it. We use these constantly at our house. Here's my one. This one has bananas, but my daughter spilled coffee on it last week, but I washed it and now we just use this side. So go over and find this tutorial. I'll link you to this video too. It also has my genius binding method. No hand sewing required. Okay, last kitchen item. This is the apron I made recently. You can find a tutorial for this. You don't even need a pattern. It will tell you the video tells you how to draft and make your own pattern. It's very easy. You can adapt it to fit any size person, tall, plus size, kids even, and the printable version includes those pattern drafting instructions. Okay, last but not least, this is my newest pattern in my shop and video tutorial. It is for this tote bag I made recently. Here's just some plain fabric. I take this to church with me. I absolutely love these prints. And it's a very simple, basic tote bag. There's pockets inside, but then also the video shows you how to customize it with things like fabric panels. This is the one I made to send to my sister-in-law who's going through cancer treatment. Or you can adapt it to work with quilt blocks you have lying around. This will always be special to me. It's so pretty, I love it. So go grab that tutorial if you want to learn to make a basic tote bag. I'll tell you the best interfacing to use, all the dimensions you need, and how to make it wider or taller with longer straps or more pockets in that video and pattern. So I hope this is helpful for you. If you start today, you can definitely still sew some Mother's Day gifts. And if you have ideas for us, again, put them down in the comments because we would all love to see. And I'll see you again soon. Bye.